What's up, guys? Today we are hiking up what is this trail called?
Gray Rock Trail.
Gray Rock Trail. And there's some pictures. Okay, let's get started on the hike. My dad says this is supposed to be a popular trail or hike, whatever, but I want to be the judge of this, so I'm gonna.
You gotta cross this road for safety. Go ahead and turn that off.
Okay, guys, see you on the other side. Guys, welcome back. I think the trail goes all the way up there, so this is gonna be a long hike, guys. So if you want to see more hikes like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We're hiking. We can see some grass, a lot of dirt, sand dirt, let's call it that, rocks, river, pine trees, more rocks. No wildlife right now. But I hope I can see some. Right now, leaves, trees, and if you guys, as we're hiking up this new trail, guys, we can see some rocks. Power line.
We haven't gone too far yet. Let's look at the power lines.
Yeah. This will all be worth it on the top. So I will keep you updated, guys. Alright, guys, welcome back. I think the trail goes all the way up there, so this is gonna be a long hike, guys. So if you want to see more hikes like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We're hiking. We can see some grass, a lot of dirt, sand dirt, let's call it that, rocks, river, pine trees, more rocks. No wildlife right now. But I hope I can see some. Right now, leaves, trees, and if you guys, as we're hiking up this new trail, guys, we can see some rocks. Power line.
We haven't gone too far yet. Let's look at the power lines.
Yeah. This will all be worth it on the top. So I will keep you updated, guys. Hey guys, we came back and we saw I don't want to show it to you guys because I might get banned from YouTube, but we saw a bit of a dead mouse. R.I.P. little Ratatouille right there. But we gotta continue on the trail. Oh, look, more people, guys. Now I'm gonna stop the video here because I don't think they want to be on. All right, we just talked to those people, and they say one thing expect on here is slippery, dippery rocks. So when we go to the slippery rocks, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try filming it while doing it. as we're on the trail, glorious pine trees. Got a couple of that. This is very nice, guys. I can hear some birds.
Did the trail go up?
I think so.
Is there 2 trails or just 1?
I think so. It goes up.
Okay, keep going. I just want to know if there was another trail.
We'll keep you guys updated. But poor little Ratatouille. Hey guys, welcome back. Today my dad is leading now because I'm scared. I see like a bear or something. Like it's getting a bit dark. Rocks, more rocks, more rocks. Sorry guys, I didn't capture that, but we saw a bit of a cave right there. But I hope there's not a bear there. But this seems like a pretty good trail. Now we're building up elevation. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. As we're climbing up. I thought that was the never did not. Oh look. Tree. More trees. Hey, Dad, wait for me. Wait for me. See you guys. I'll tap in more updates. So, we're just taking a little short break. So, it's better time to film some. Some dried up river, tree, Dad, tree. Barely standing here, you could fall. You could fall at any moment. As you can see here, more trees. Basically, there's a lot of trees on this trail, guys. Who would have thought?
Alright, you lead?
Yep, Dad.
Lead us, leader.
We'll keep you updated, guys. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Trees.
Watch where you going, Nerdburger.
Yeah, I will.
Alright. Hello. Hey guys.
This has been
What's up?
so
I like the shirt,
cool.
dude. That's for you, not me. You don't like my shirt, dog. That's your shirt.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, more rocks. Wait, is that burnt tree?
Sure is. There was a fire here probably 10 plus years ago. Trees that didn't burn all the way. This is where they are. They just lay here.
Okay, that explains why there's no trees. Okay.
Did you see the ropes on those guys' backpacks?
Yeah?
They're out here climbing, bro.
Oh, wow.
They're out here doing some real deal stuff.
Hey, Dad, want to hold the camera?
Huh?
Want to hold the camera?
Sure.
Okay, guys, see, there's a big, little bit of a valley there. And as you can see up there, there's a big mountain.
I think that's one of those slippery rocks they were telling us about.
Woohoo! Oh my god!
That's a heck of a tree. This one fell down.
Oh my god, it looks like it got knocked down by a top. Oh my god, those are the roots. Guys, if you look closely, look here. Guys. Oh, look at that. We saw our first light. Look here. Oh, if you look closer, there's two. Amazing.
I'm shaking my hand.
This is amazing, guys.
I know you want to be quiet so they don't scare, but I'd like them to know that we're here.
That's cool, guys. Last time we hiked, we never saw any wildlife. Well, look at that, we did. Learn something new every single day. Oh. Leave a comment down below, what do you think those kind of deers are? Okay, back on the trail, guys. That is cool. Hey guys. I know, it scared him. But guys, focus. We'll keep you guys updated, but that was cool. Guys, we're back. Look at that view at the I think that's maybe elk. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Leave the deers alone. Okay. Anyway, as we're passing by, guys, we saw our first wildlife. Dad. What is that? That block thing.
What is that? What do you think it is?
It's probably like a hollow log.
It looks like, yeah.
My bad, guys. We captured deers on our wild thing, our wild list. Now, no birds, no nothing yet. But we did see.
This part looks dangerous.
Okay, I will be cautioned, Dad. My middle name is Caution. Dad, I think you've been watching too much 80s shows.
Maybe.
Adventure through the woods. Adventure through the valleys. We're back here.
You want me to leave?
I'm good.
Right.
If I hear anything, you can go in front.
You don't have too much sunlight left. I'm gonna turn around soon.
Yeah. Maybe in a future video we can finish this mountain.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it early to get this one done.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. But we did see those deers.
How much longer do we walk before we turn around?
I think, I don't know.
5 minutes?
Sure. See you guys. I'll keep you updated. Alright guys, this is where we stop because it's getting a bit too dark. We'll be back here tomorrow. We will come back tomorrow. GG's. But guys, I will film myself on playing some Fortnite back at home. So Brofish out. See you back home. Oh,